This 2025 Highland Ridge Roamer 304 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 33 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, refrigerator, stovetop burner, air conditioning, TV antenna, smoke detector, awning, leveling jacks, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-bunk, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Highland Ridge Roamer 304 BHS is 8,900 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.